Today we are going to be using a 3D printing pen. Halona will be making the Eiffel Tower. This is the preloaded templates that they give you inside of the box. Here's the pen, and the gray part is just really hot, so you can't touch that one. This is the actual pen, and it just plugs in USB. And we're getting ready to load it up so that she can try to attempt to make this Eiffel Tower using a 3D printing pen. And we're not sure how much this cost because this was a present from her future auntie. The directions call these filaments, but we're pretty sure it's just some hard, thin, wired plastic that's going to melt down, right? What is it wrapped? It looks like a slinky.
What? No. No, colorful crackers.
What color are you going to use first?
Green.
Okay. So you have to load it into that little hole. How about I tape this flat so it doesn't move? Yeah?
Parchment paper.
We put some parchment paper on top just in case it sticks to that other paper.
How do I start it?
I think you have to press the triangle button.
Which triangle button?
The down one.
Cookies are done.
It's weird how the first part came out a little white.
I think I'm gonna start. Ew, it smells weird.
Smells like melted plastic?
Mm-hmm.
And you can't press down too hard, right? Because or else it will scrape off. One of the bad parts is that we may not know where to buy more of this filament when it runs out.
I think we'll go over that now.
And the outside is done. Now it's time for all the fine details. We'll come back when this one is complete. This stopped working. It won't even get hot anymore. It broke that fast, so just because it broke so fast, we would say do not get this. So we'll try to call the number and see if they'll give us a refund, but I'm pretty sure they're not.
Oh, I know why, because of...
So at least we were able to make the parts, and now we're going to hot glue it together to at least do something with it so we don't have all these laying around the house. And we'll be right back.
Yes, it's finished. Too bad I couldn't use the pen because it broke. But I did use a hot glue gun. Okay, bye.